Okay, let's give you guys some more practice here. So find the equation of a line that passes through this point and this point here. So to do this, just sketch it roughly. 3, 5. Have a guess. 3 across, 5 up. Going to be around here. 12 across. So it's a long way across, and then only 3 up. So guess around here. So now just join the 2 points together, and then find out the equation for this line. Okay, so well, anyway, press pause and have a go. All right, so what you do, you sketch your graph roughly, just a rough sketch. So this point here is here, and this point here is here. Okay, so now we need to find out the gradient. So well, as soon as we got our straight line, we know it's going to be y equals mx plus c. But the first step is to find out the gradient. So the gradient, bear in mind, it's a negative gradient. Okay, so remember that for later on. So now to find out this height here, remember this is your x, this is your y, this is your x, and this is your y here. Okay, so to find out the height, I need to know the y value here. Well, it's going to be this. Take away this here, because the y take away with the y. So this height here will be 2. Okay. Now the width here would be well, it's going to be 12. Take away 3, which will be 9. Okay. So now, well, the gradient would be, well, the gradient is always the height divided by the width. So it will be the height divided by the width, and then we've got to stick a minus in front because it's going downhill. So this is our gradient. That's our m. So now we can put it into the m. Okay, so hang on. So y equals minus 2. Well, let's just multiply the x as well. So it's going to be this, because you're putting this fraction into the m, and then later on you get the x, multiply the fraction, so it gets multiplied to the top. See, the x goes to the top, and then plus c. Okay, now we well, we need to know what c is, so we select a point on the line. We could use this one or this one. I'm going to use this one here, because these two numbers are easier to work with than 12, because they're slightly easier, because they're smaller. That's the only reason. You could use this one if you want. Well, anyway, it doesn't matter that much. Well, let's just use 3 and 5. So we put because 3 is the x, 3 is x. So we put the 3 into the x. So here we've got to put the 3 into this x here. Okay, and then because at this point here it's 5 here, so this is the y value, so we've got to put the 5 into the y, so the 5 has to go into the y here. Okay, so the 3 goes into the x, the 5 goes into the y, so the equation will look like this. 5 equals well, minus 2 times 3 would be minus 6 over 9 plus c. Okay. From experience, don't simplify, because well, you can if you want, but it might be easier to just leave it as it is, because later on, for some reason, c, you might get a fraction that has a denominator of 9. Well, anyway, just don't bother simplifying for the time being. Okay, now just somehow find out c. So now visualize it like this. You've got this block equals this block plus this block here. So to kill off this block, so that c could be on its own. So inside your mind, add this block to both sides. So 5 add 6 over 9, and then on the right hand side it's just going to be c. Now it's just a matter of adding these two together. So let's turn the 5 into a fraction. So 5 over 1 plus 6 over 9 equals c. Now times top and bottom here by 9, just so that we can get the two denominators to be the same. So it will be, this bit here will be 45 over this bit here would be 9, and then 6 over 9 here equals c. Okay, now the two denominators are the same. We can just merge the two. So this would be, well, merge the two top parts here. So that would be 51. Well, c now is 51 over 9. You see what I mean about 9 being at the bottom? Well, anyway, so the intercept is 51 over 9. So the intercept will be 51 over 9. You see, for some reason, this 9 here is the same as this one here. So that's why I told you not to bother simplifying. Well, anyway, I'm going to rewrite this bit here, but put this into the c. Okay, so y equals minus 2x over 9 plus, well, c will be 51 over 9. Okay, because the two denominators are the same, we can just merge. So 9 minus 2x plus 51. Okay. Now this here exists in a bubble. So let's just switch these two around. So it looks neater. Rather than having a minus in front, let's switch them around. So it'd be 51 minus 2x over 9. So this is your answer. Okay.